I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You won't stop and look around once in a while. You can miss it.
Okay, so today we're going to be using the Forte Petrol Specialist Injector Cleaner. More of a preventative measure than anything else. I don't think I've actually got an injector problem, but the car has done 157,000 miles now, so yeah, this is going to help them keep them tip top. I'm going to put it into the tank. I've got 3/4 of a tank of fuel, and this will run its course as it mixes with the fuel, and that should restore my injector spray pattern and help them out. So that's going to go in the tank. It's pretty straightforward. I'm just going to pop the fuel, fill a cap, and then stick that in there, and jobs are good. And now we use Forte products a lot at work. They're the products that we trust. Anything from an engine flush to an injector cleaner or fuel save, which is actually an octane booster. But yeah, so I'm gonna put this in, and again, like I say, it's preventative maintenance. And I do like to treat my Colt to some nice bits like this when I'm not spending money on it. I've not spent any money on it recently, so in it goes. So unscrewing the cap, and you'll see there's a little mark on the top of that. I'm going to push that in there. That's going to open up. That's going to open up, and then I'm going to pour it straight in. So here we go. Don't drink this stuff. Jokes. I suppose you've got to say it. There we go. It's as simple as that. And then we shall run it through. So quick recap on the suspension mods that I've had. Coilovers, poly bushes, fully poly bushed, power flex, including rear beam bushes. Yeah, and update really is it drives phenomenal. It's still loads better than most Colts that I've driven. It feels tight, it feels new, it responds when I'm turning in. I could do with better tyres is my only real complaint on this car at the moment. I do enjoy it, but I think that's what's letting it down. But as suspension goes, still really going really well. I'm not going to say that the yellow speed coilovers are any better than the BC coilovers. The BC coilovers are brilliant. These are on par with those. Definitely better than the Bilsteins, but not as good as the Teens, in my opinion. But that's just me. But I do love it. It is driving really well. So thanks for the people that are asking how I'm getting on. Yeah, really loving it. Thanks, guys.
Before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.